Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Paychex employee account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we post our new video. Now let's move on and open up any web browser on your PC. Now on your search bar, type in paychex.com and press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will land it to its official website. Now from here, tap on login button on the top right of your screen. Once you do that, you will take into this page. You can see different sector to log in from. This video is for employee, that's why I'm choosing employee sector. Again, choose from employee sector. For this video, I'm gonna choose Paychex Go. After that, login page will open in another tab. If you want to log into business account, then you can type in your username here. And if you want to log into employee account, then type in your details in employee account. Choose the one and type in your username. After you type in your username correctly, tap on next. Now type in your password correctly. If you can't remember your username or your password, you can tap on forget username/password and retrieve your account details. Now after entering the details of your account, tap on employee login to get logged into your account. I hope this video helped you to get logged into your account. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.